Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make professional name label stickers in Canva. So first of all, come here on canva.com, then simply sign in into your account. Now over here, select the templates tab and use the search bar in order to simply search for sticker. Now when you search for sticker, you are going to see a bunch of different types of sticker templates over here. So you can choose any of these sticker templates that you like. For example, let's say I liked this particular one. So I'm just going to simply select it. Then I'm going to simply select the option of customize this template. Now, as you can see, as I have selected this template, in the bottom of it, you are going to see more like this. So you can also choose among these. So you can simply select it and click on the option of customize this template. Now here, when you are inside this particular section, you are going to see our sticker. So over here, you can just simply start changing the name over here. So you just have to double click on it. Since this is the element, so you need to delete it. Then click on the option of text, then select the option of add a heading. And now you need to start giving it the name. So let's say I given it the name as Robert. So now after selecting it, you can hover over to the top and you can also choose among the different types of texts that are available over here. So let's say I've selected this one. Now once your first name sticker is created, you can just simply duplicate it and then you can make changes into the name. So let's say I given this name again, then again you can duplicate it and then you can make changes into it. You can also change the shapes if you want. You can delete the shape, then you can go to the elements, then you can select the option of shapes, and after that you can select any of these shapes over here. Then you can add those shapes as a background, and after that you can just simply create these types of stickers. So in order to download them, click on the option of share, then click on the option of download, and you can download the zip file of it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.